I think because I was feeling down and, you know, the weight of the world that everyone felt this year, color was very interesting to me. I really wanted to give vibrant colors. So focusing on bringing color into people's lives was important to me. My favorite color is blue because all things powerful in my life are blue.
What's up, y'all? So glad you guys could join me today. Today is a special edition. As you can tell, we're in a different setting. This is actually the office. This is where we do a lot of the editing. It's also where we do the prep for season 2. In addition to that, to get us right for season 2, we're having our first giveaway. As you guys know, I am a fan of my fans and show my support. I want to give you guys a holiday giveaway right in time for Christmas season. So, in addition to what's being given away, for item number 1, we have the Ivypark Duffel Bag. In addition to that, we have the contents that's inside that's part of the giveaway also. We have not only 1, but we have 2 pairs of the ADIDAS Ultra Boost in the high res colorway. Take these bad boys out real quick so you guys can get a good look at that. In addition to the Ultra Boost, in addition to the duffel, we have the belt bag also, which was sold out. All these items are sold out, so hey, I'm doing this for y'all, man. This is just something I can do to give back to my fans. So first things first, you notice about the Ultra Boost is you're gonna see this right here, this Ivypark clip, which is detachable. And if you look at the pictures, I believe they're still up on the website, even though it's sold out. She has the clip wrapped around the Ivypark bag. So in case you go to the beach or whatever, you know, you have that little look where you can show your outfit as well as your shoes. So in addition to that, we have the OG netting that they use on the regular Ultra Boost. And then right here we have a suede cage. In addition to the suede cage, we also have the suede backing that actually says Ivypark. So let you guys see that real quick. Ivypark right here. And on this side is just suede. And then we have the gum bottoms right here, which of course is Continental. As you can tell right here, Continental gum bottoms. And you see the boost right here. And in addition to that, you see the torsion system, which of course keeps the whole thing in frame. We have that, and a couple other variations from the original Ultra Boost that you're going to notice. This pull tab in the back right here, which is the lacing. This is something that's only exclusively to this particular collab. And in addition to that, you have the way they have these laces in this lace lock. Now you can buy your own lace lock, and you can, you know, melt your own piece like this, but to have an original set or something is just way better. Tops it off. So original right here, exclusive to the collab, exclusive to the collab, exclusive to the collab. And then on the inside, it actually says, let me take this out real quick. You see ADIDAS, and you see Ivypark, let you know that's what the collab is. So like I said, this is one of the items we're giving away. One of the 2 items we're giving away. We're giving away this, and then we have the belt bag, which of course is right here. You can put something in here. You can put something in here. Nice little space right here. Netting, protect your IDs. And on the other side, you have another additional pocket. You have the 3 stripes. Additional pocket right here, additional pocket right here. Clips on. And then like I said, lastly, of course, is the duffel, which is a reversible duffel. You can carry it like this, or you can carry it the way I had it on, where you put it around your back. You have the straps. This is a pretty big duffel right here. This is pretty good size. So what I'm thinking we're gonna do is we're gonna have one set where this is one combination, the shoes and the duffel, and then the other winner is gonna have the belt and the combination right here. Boom. So let's see what we want to do is we want to give something for the ladies as well as the fellas. So appreciate y'all's support. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe like we've been doing, and I'll let you guys know the details on how to win. Follow my Instagram.